Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Video Toolkit Summer 2023 Special Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called Video Toolkit Summer 2023 Special. So this is that review. Now let's get to the sales page here, where it says grab 6 of my latest graphics products with a huge 80% discount, including Camtasia templates, motion backgrounds, device mockups, cut out PNG illustrations, mascot characters, and more. And so let's take a look at the sample videos, otherwise you and I will not be able to understand much. Okay, so I will play some of the videos and then you will be able to. It looks amazing to me, by the way. So okay, yeah, so this is one of the videos, right? Mia Electra. That's nice. AI. I like it. Will this survive? So this is one of the sample videos, right? This video was created by their template. That's what they're trying to show you. Okay, this is the sample one. Create epic cinematic video trailers using just Camtasia. This is what we had just seen, and 1080 resolution. Then we have these 3D cute animal mascots to your project, so you can use these characters. What else do we have? Transparent background. Look at this. Look at this puppy. Okay, so if you want to buy this somehow, probably you might find the link below my YouTube video in the description. It might be saying grab video toolkit blah blah, copy here and click on that link. That link will take you to this dog. You can go and buy him. Now 100 brand new motion backgrounds in 9 different styles. Let's play this video as well and let's see what are we going to get. Okay, so this is like iPhone wallpaper. Okay, yeah, sun. Okay, these are cool animated graphics, right? So if you have the need or you want to use them in your projects, on your client projects, you should go and grab them. So let me pause it so that we can watch another sample video. These are abstract particles. Yeah, we have seen this in the video already, right? Now mockups in just a few clicks. So let's see, we have another sample video here now. So let's play this one. Is a long 1 minute long video. You have power over your mind. So I guess this is to make your those motivational or quotation videos, right? So on the internet you normally see videos giving you some quotes or some thoughtful facts, right? So you could use this sample for creating such videos if you would like. So let's get done with this and proceed further. By the way, you can spend your own time on the sales page to take a look at all these videos. Now this one is 2 minutes and 21 seconds long, so I can't play all the video, but you see you can make your explainer videos too using this software. And obviously if you're going to use all these templates, then I would assume that you are some kind of maybe freelancer, or you are an experienced person who do these video editings on daily basis, right? So let's get back here, and then you have more characters, more scenes, and text and styles. You have 30-day money back guarantee, so you can try risk-free. And then these are 2 licenses for you. So if you were about to buy them in total separately, then this is what it will cost to you. But if you buy this right now, this will cost you only $27. Okay, so they're giving you 6 in 1, $27. And do we have any questions? So this is what you can do with this. This is what you cannot do. So this is again, you can read everything here. Okay, what you can do, what you can't do. There are 2 options, PLR and commercial, and that's it, right? So let's talk about OTOs now. They do have some OTOs here. So this is it, right? So front end 6 in 1 graphic product bundle, then OTO 1 will be for $47.67. The higher price is for PLR license. Okay, so this is on you see this 27, 47, 47, 67. In this you cannot sell this to others. Okay, if you get the PLR license in this much price, then you can rebrand this product as your own and you can sell it to others. Okay, are we clear? And these are those OTOs. So let's go and anything else? Video Toolkit Summer. If you have the need to buy these templates, characters, animations, this and that, go and spend time on the sales page and decide if you want this or not. If you want this, you can go and buy. Okay. Now there is there's one more way you can make money with videos, not just by making some cool animated videos. You can make money with some boring videos as well. As an example, right now my review which you're watching, this is not a fancy video. In this video, you're only watching my laptop screen and you're listening to my voice, okay? However, when you have seen my video, you have seen some ads as well. The moment you see these ads, this video makes money for me, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized. So if you take a look here at the, in the description below, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will teach you, in case you're interested, to do the same thing which what I am doing on YouTube right now, okay? So in case you want to make these reviews or you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need to know that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to get them in 2x only, okay? More details towards the end. Then we have one more method here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So let's say there are people who do not want to work online, or they're lazy, or they don't have time, right? Then I have this method as well. This is called forex trading. In this, you normally buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? So what we do is we use a software on this graph and we give the setting to that software, and that software does the trading on our behalf automatically after we give the settings, okay? So if you want to make money on autopilot without doing manual work, then you can check out this method, or else you can do what I do on YouTube. I do both, okay? Because when I make YouTube videos, when you do this on automation, then you have time and I come and make my YouTube videos, okay? So I am a full-time online person, okay? I don't have any offline job since 2015. That was the last time that was the first time when I left my job in 2015, and since then I never had to go and do the offline work, okay? So I am a full-timer online, and that's why I make YouTube videos and I do a lot of other things, right? Anyway, so summer special 2023 video toolkit, go and grab it if you want to. But if you are here only to make money, and one more thing here, this animation templates and all that, it means that you need to be making videos, okay? Now if you're a newbie only, I don't think that you will be working with videos as of now, right? So this option might not be good for newbies, because you would not have any clue that how are you going to make money with videos, okay? This offer could be useful for freelancers who are working for clients, or maybe you're some technical person who wants to use these templates, or you're some agency and you might be using this in your client's work, okay? So I hope you get the point. So go and buy if you are into the category I have just explained. But if you're a hardcore newbie who is here only to make money online, then you can check out this link here. So subscribe, like, and now watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? Now we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits, okay? So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without doing your homework, okay? If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.